Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make dry lady fingers. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes sliced, onion greens, 2 spring onions sliced, 1 medium-sized onion sliced, 4 green chilies slit, handful of coriander leaves chopped, 4 cloves of garlic cut into strips, small piece of ginger cut into strips. Here I have 15 lady fingers which I have removed the head and the tail and given little slit. Here I have half teaspoon haldi powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, jeera powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt as per your taste and 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I have pan with oil. Now we'll add the onion, and tomato. We'll saute it till it turns translucent. Now we'll add the spring onion greens, green chili, coriander, ginger and garlic. Again we'll saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we'll add all these masalas in the butter. Mix well. Now we'll add the lady fingers. Again we'll mix. Add salt as per your taste. Now we'll cover it and cook it on a medium flame for 15 minutes till the lady fingers are done. Our lady fingers are done. Our dry lady fingers are done. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.